Welcome to this video on mastering voltage stabilizers. We will answer 10 of the most frequently asked questions to help you protect your expensive appliances. A voltage stabilizer protects appliances by building a barrier against power fluctuations. It boosts low power surges and bucks high power spikes, ensuring your appliances receive safe, constant voltage. Modern appliances have basic built-in limits, safely operating between 130 volts and 290 V. External stabilizers protect internal control boards from extreme local power surges that exceed these limits. Extreme voltage, both high and low, destroys appliances. The stabilizer detects extreme spikes at 300 volts and drops at 100 volts. The system cuts output power immediately in these situations. Power cuts disrupt internal refrigerant pressure. The time delay system pauses power delivery for 2 to 5 minutes, allowing compressors time to balance and preventing motor burnouts. You need to choose the right correction technology. Static/digital stabilizers use electronic components for ultra-fast correction in home appliances. Servo stabilizers use a motor and transformer for highly precise correction in heavy-duty industrial equipment. The working range defines safe input limits. For example, a 150-volt stabilizer shuts down if the grid voltage drops to 140 V. You must match the stabilizer to your local grid drops. You can calculate your required capacity easily. Note the appliance wattage, divide it by 0.8, and add a 20% safety margin for startup surges to get the required VA rating. You can stabilize power for the whole house using a mainline stabilizer with 3 kVA to 10 kVA capacity installed after your energy meter. Alternatively, use dedicated individual stabilizers for heavy appliances like 1.5-ton ACs. Modern voltage stabilizers are highly efficient, operating at 95% to 98% efficiency. They consume tiny fractions of power, and stable voltage actually helps lower overall energy consumption. Understand the difference between a voltage stabilizer and a UPS/inverter before you buy. A stabilizer fixes bad voltage and manages surges, but has no battery. A UPS provides backup power during blackouts and features only basic stabilization. Complete power protection requires 3 correct choices: matching the working range to your grid, calculating the exact VA capacity, and choosing the right technology. This secures total peace of mind